My name is Jenna Pilant, and I'm a style-crazed full-time creative living in sunny San Diego. In 2016, my husband and I purchased our forever home, and now, in between balancing my upholstery business, our 4 dogs, and just life in general, I'm going to renovate our home room by room, project by project myself, with some fun help from a few of my friends along the way. And I'm going to share it all with you right here on YouTube. So, are you ready to see a room bloom?
Man, these past summer months have been a roller coaster of emotions, Color Loves, with some high highs and very low lows. August actually being the saddest of sad girl clubs. But my September, damn it, I'm determined to resurrect this deep pain within me and give it a place to live outside of my body. Thus, when I got the creative itch to add murals to my design services, I figured no time like the present to add more visual examples to the portfolio house's walls, starting with our living room space. Back when I was renovating this room in the beginning of the pandemic, nothing was speaking to us art-wise for this large wall. And since I'll never propose to buy something just to fill a space, especially artwork, it just stayed bare for a while. Until I started working on our dining room this past January, and we moved Bitch I'm Catholic from its walls to the living room space, which originally was temporary. But as time went by, my creative mind's eye started seeing this color block mural built around it every single time I passed by. And since this body is not a coffin for creativity to be buried in, I decided to bring this current vision into fruition, as this is my light, my love, what I have to share with the world, my polychromatic designs. Ugh, and how this creative life has a way of nibbling away at the dark, y'all. From my mind's eye to this very wall, here's the living room's new color block mural. Besides its initial shape being vivid in my head, the color was as well. Island Oasis by Bear, which when combined with Bitch I'm Catholic, are the same brand colors of my first design business, Homebird Upholstery. Coincidence? I definitely think not. Either way, wowzers, how we do love the final results. Turns out this mural was the very ingredient missing from this space, almost completing the room bloom recipe. Keyword being almost. Still got my 4 eyes out for a couple more pieces of art, possible DIY, and fingers crossed, a ruggable rug. Yeppers, slow design always, Color Loves. This is just the start of the colorful mural content here on Room Bloom. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to a YouTube near you. I've got not 1, but 2 new murals headed your way soon. Laters.